You remember there was a time when CapCut was hailed as the great free alternative to Adobe Premiere Pro, right? Well, it turns out that is no longer the case. I got into my CapCut dashboard this morning just to discover that a lot of the free things I've been using in the past are no longer there. Take, for example, I have this video loaded here. Let's go to video, the video tab. You see enhance image and reduce image noise, including relight, which all used to be free features are now pro. So you need to upgrade to your pro. By the way, you can see the join pro button is now more pronounced than ever before. A lot of these used to be free, but now they are pro. If I go to remove, you can no longer remove image background for free. You need to get the pro version. What about mask? Everything they still, you see retouch. If you choose to retouch your video, you discover that a lot of these, they are now pro features. A lot of these are now pro features. Skin tone and all that, I used it a while back for free, but it's now a pro feature. If we go to speed, it's still free. Animations here, they are still free. Even out animations, they are still free. Combo, most of them are still free. Adjustments, you see color matching is now a pro feature. Now, let's come to this side. The text are still free. Now, there are some paid text layouts. If you want to use them, you need to have CapCut Pro. Stickers, for the most part, all of them are still free. Effects, there's a network issue. But most of these effects, they are now paid. They are now paid. They are no longer free. Let's go to transitions. I think most of them are still free. Most of them are still free. Filters. Most of these are now pro features. Most of these are now pro features. Adjustments, of course, this is something custom. So you may be asking, what do I do? Well, you have two things you can do, or actually three. There are three things you can do. Number one, you can continue to use CapCut, but just the free features, which is somehow limited. Number two, you can pay for CapCut. Pay for CapCut. It will cost you $7.99 a month or $9.99 a month, depending on which one you choose. And you can pay for 1 year $74.99 a month. Number two, CapCut now has a referral program, which when you join, I don't know, I was shown my code somewhere around here. And that code, I could use it, I could share CapCut, and whoever joins using my link, if up to 10 people join using my link, I could use CapCut for free for up to 9 months. I think 7 to 9 months, if I'm not mistaken. So that is the third option. So whatever you choose to do, please let me know in the comments. And let me know in the comments, are you disappointed or did you expect this? Did you see this coming? Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting out videos like this on a weekly basis. God bless you. Peace.